Welcome to CAD and Sorcery. As CAD designers, we like to feel at home with our tools, so we often tweak system options, templates, and of course the user interface, the command manager, mouse gestures, shortcut bars, and more. In this video, I'll show you how to save your customized settings so you can back them up, transfer them to another machine, or share them with a colleague. I'll also show you how to reset SOLIDWORKS to its factory default settings using the SOLIDWORKS Settings Wizard. The SOLIDWORKS Settings Wizard helps you save or restore your system options, toolbar layouts, keyboard shortcuts, mouse gestures, menu customizations, saved views, or simply reset everything back to factory default settings. You can launch it from the task pane or the Tools drop-down menu, but I recommend starting it from the Windows Start menu. I suggest you do this because it works by copying specific registry keys, and not everything is saved unless SOLIDWORKS is closed, so to be safe, launch it from there. Let's start with saving our current setup. Click Browse to choose where to save your file. The extension is sldreg. I suggest using clear file names, include the SOLIDWORKS version for example. From the list of categories, select what you'd like to include, toolbars, options, etc. Since you can later choose what to restore, it's best to save everything. Click Finish, dismiss any messages, and your file is ready. We'll use it shortly. Now let's reset factory defaults. This is straightforward. Press Next and you'll see a dialog offering to save your current settings before resetting. If you haven't created a backup yet, this is a good chance. I'll choose Reset Only for now. A message confirms the successful reset. Back in SOLIDWORKS, you'll notice the interface and file locations are all back to default. Let's now restore the settings we saved earlier. Choose Restore Settings, click Next and browse to your saved file. Here, you can pick which settings to restore. I'll go with all categories. You'll also be prompted to choose how to restore them. In most cases, current user is fine, so we'll proceed with that. Before finishing, you can again choose to save the current setup. Click Finish, accept the confirmation message, and we're done. Back to SOLIDWORKS, everything's back the way I had it. Shortcuts, gestures, command manager, all stored, even the file locations. The Settings Wizard is more than just a backup tool. It's also great for migrating your setup to a new computer, standardizing settings across multiple users by storing the sldreg file in a shared location, and troubleshooting issues by restoring settings step by step to isolate the cause. And that's how the SOLIDWORKS Settings Wizard works. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to CAD and Sorcery for more magical SOLIDWORKS content. I'll see you in the next video.